We are here on Real Estate in the Lowcountry. Sheri Nixon of Keller Williams Luxury is here with me. And so it's always good to see you, Sheri.
Great to be here.
Yeah.
I'd love it.
Yeah, so here we are. We're kind of in spring, kind of in the heart of buying and selling season. Let's talk a little bit about what's going on the island, and of course, you know, why it's so wonderful to live here, because we are like in the sweet spot right now.
We are. It's a beautiful day, and as I'm coming here doing this real estate show, I always think, oh my gosh, I remember when I didn't live here and how much I wanted to live here. And there may be people watching that are thinking that too. And you sort of have to speak that dream into reality at some point.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
And
I remember when I would come here from Illinois, I think, oh gosh, if I could only live here. And now if I go vacation anywhere or go elsewhere, I get to come home to vacation too.
I know, we get to come here. Exactly. And I think that first thing to do is really have a conversation with a realtor that's been here a long time and knows about things, because you have to start somewhere. And even if it's for the future, even if it's 3 years, 4 years, you've got to start somewhere.
Yeah.
So I love to have those conversations.
Well, and of course, with a realtor that is here and is local and has been here and has as much experience as you do, you really know what the different communities are, what the fees are in the different communities, what the homeowners association will allow, because that's a lot to navigate.
Yes, exactly. And fees, that kind of brings me into this listing that I have, because fees are a big thing of the big point of conversation.
Yeah.
And this one does not have any community fees. It's 54 Jonesville Road.
Right.
So Jonesville Road off Spanish Wells Road. And so it just sits there's four kind of lots, and they have their own little community, but there's no fees, and so somebody, at this point, there's nothing that restricts someone for having this home as their own home, or putting on Airbnb or some sort of short-term rental too.
Right, which is another big consideration, because again, some of the communities don't let you do that.
Yes, so, many of them don't. So it's nice to think that you could have a place that you would want to be your own, yet maybe do that when you're not here. And it's not near the ocean, yet every place around here is near the ocean.
Right.
And also people want to be here for biking and tennis and golf and all those things.
Yeah.
So it's a great place.
Yeah.
And if you've seen the pictures, it's adorable, right?
It's the cutest it's cute as like a little bungalow or cottage.
Yes,
it's really, really
cute.
Yes,
it's great cottage. It's under 2,000 square feet. It's white with blue shutters and has a detached garage. And you go in there, and it's a perfect floor plan, because you just have a few steps to the main floor, and then on that main floor, you've got everything you need. You've got the kitchen, and it's an open floor plan, an eat-in kitchen area, the full laundry room, screen porch, and then your primary bedroom and bathroom are on the main floor.
Right, which is very attractive to a lot of people.
Exactly, you need that. And then upstairs, you've got two big rooms, and this owner uses one of them as her sitting room, desk, and putting all that with a study, but it could be a bedroom. You have another bedroom, and then you have an upstairs deck. And it looks out on this great feature, which is the Marsh. It's on a marsh view, and it's $875,000, and it's hard to get a marsh view for that price point on the island. So that's really good.
And of course, taking into account that there's no fees.
Yes,
that kind of offsets that a little bit as well.
Definitely offsets it.
Yeah.
And it's just ready to move in. This owner, she is a realtor, and her daughter's a realtor. I mean, she's the perfect client to have, because she knew about, let's get it painted, freshly painted, new carpet upstairs. And then she was able to take some of her things, because she's moving. She took them out, put them in storage, because she's moving anyway. So it's that great house. It's a great listing.
Yeah. Well, so if somebody's interested in seeing it, how do they get to you to do that?
They call me, 843-301-2688. And I'd love to talk real estate, and especially this house too.
Yeah. And so let's talk a little bit about that area, just briefly, because it is really kind of an up-and-coming area.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Jonesville Road, yes, it is an up-and-coming area, and it's being built out. There's other developments happening there, and it's such a great location on the island with North End, South End, Bluff End, all of that. So that's why it's so desirable.
Very easy access, like you said, to everywhere. Cross island, bridges off the island.
Right.
You're there in minutes.
Everywhere, yes. The restaurants and all of that, beach.
Yep. Well, thank you for sharing it. It's a great listing. It's super cute. So make sure you're calling Sheri if you'd like to see it.